To upload images via the product importer, start by navigating to the Data Import tab on the CMS. On the left-hand side of the page, upload your spreadsheet containing product stock codes and corresponding image file names. Make sure the image file names are in JPG or PNG format. As shown here, the spreadsheet includes main images for each product. For products requiring more than one image, like the third example, additional images are listed in columns image 1, image 2, etc. The file name must correspond exactly with the data in your spreadsheet. Next, go to Upload Images and click Upload, then choose the files that you'd like to upload. All files must be in a single folder, subfolders are not supported. You can select all files at once. The system will match images to products using the file names. Once the images finish uploading, click Done. To import the images into the CMS, return to Import Data and run the import. Once the upload is complete, to confirm the images were added, close the dialog and navigate to the relevant product in the catalog. You'll see the image including any alternate views. On the website, for example, under Socks, you'll find 2 products now displaying images. The product imported with multiple images displays them in a carousel view. If an image isn't showing straight away, ensure that you clear the cache so that any changes are pushed through to the site.